Instagram following request is one of the annoying thing a lot of people encounter either for your personal use or for your business. In this particular video, I will show you some of the causes and how you can solve them. Telling you the cause of some issue is for you to avoid repeating the same mistake all over again. One of the things that causes this particular issue is too much following and or following at a particular time. Instagram has a maximum number of people you can follow and unfollow in a day. So if you exceed this particular number, this issue might bound to happen to your page. So another causes of this particular issue is update. When your Instagram is due for an update and you have not updated it, so anything can happen. It can start misbehaving, malfunctioning, and a lot of things can happen to it. It will be slow, and so anytime you check your Instagram often, anytime that your Instagram need update, just update it so that you follow the trail. So that is how to avoid this particular thing again. The third and the last thing that can cause this issue is nothing. Your Instagram can just start malfunctioning without you doing nothing. You did not follow anyone, you did not unfollow anyone, you did not do anything. It will just start malfunctioning at its own. I have two simple methods that you can solve this issue. You want to start by opening the Instagram account. Once you open the Instagram account, just click on it. Instagram account will be open. So this is my Instagram account that I'm encountering that particular problem. So once you open it, come to Reel. Make sure the sound doesn't bring any sound to avoid copyright. So this is the Reel. So the first thing you have to do before you start solving the problem is to follow anybody, because once you follow anybody, that problem will come out again. So you make a screenshot. As you can see, you will screenshot it. So when you screenshot it, then you now go back and start the two method which I showed you to do. So the first method is to go to your Play Store or Apple Store. If you are using Android, you can go to your Play Store. If you are using iPhone, you can go to your Play Store. You just go to your right now I'm using my Android, so I'm going to my Play Store. So I'll just click on the to search for Instagram to check if my Instagram is up to date. You can see they say she update Instagram. So my Instagram is not up to date. So it might be the cause of this particular issue now. So I just have to update my Instagram account. So while the update is going on, please I want you to use this opportunity to subscribe to our channel. Also like this video, turn on your bell notification that anytime we post video, you'll be the first person to know. We are grateful. Thank you. So as you can see, my Instagram is done updating. So if your own is like this, if your own show open here, so that means your own is up to date. So just open it and go and try what happened before. It will, if it will happen again. So if it doesn't happen, I know it's the update that is causing the problem. But if it happens, I know that is the I will now go to the second method. So let me just follow this page. So it happens again. So we are going to go to the second method, which how to solve this particular problem. So once you are here, so you just click OK, go to your Instagram, go to this place by the right hand corner. Let me go back again. Go to this place by the right hand corner, click on it, scroll all the way down, all the way down. You can see help here. Once you see help here, you just click on the help. It will open this way. You say report a problem. Click on report a problem, then click on this report a problem without shaking. Just click on it. It will bring out this page for you. Click on this first one that say include and continue. So you write what your problem is. Just explain what the problem is all about here. I will just do and paste because I've written my own already. I'm copy it. I'll just paste it. So this is what I've written. Instagram team, please help me solve this problem of request is pending. I wrote everything and I now say at the end, I now say, um, please, I want you to solve this to enable me follow the people I look up to and we impart good thing. Thank you. So the next thing you want to do is to upload that screenshot that you screenshotted that first time. Just click on this upload, click on it. Make sure that you screenshotted that time, you just click on it. It will enter it will enter, just remove the first one that you met there. Remove the first one that you met there. So this is our screenshot. You send. Look at send by the right hand corner here. Just click on send. So you have sent, you have reported this particular issue. So you just give them some hours and go back and check what will happen, because some hours it will definitely solve this problem. And if it does not solve the problem, I will do another video where we can talk to the customer care direct. So I hope this video is useful to you, and please don't forget to put your thought on the comment section. Also subscribe if you have not done that already, and watch this video to see how I change my background to this particular one I'm using now.